So how will I get? Now again I will make the figure first, an easier figure from where you can bring the angle into the picture. Now I have this line GOA, and this is EDO. So this is DOE. This angle I have to find. Now starting with EO, I have EOB. EOB I know, so I will make EOB. EOB is 90 degree. Out of this EOB, I want to know EOD. What about DOB? In DOB, I have another ray in between, that is C, which I know. COB I have already found. COB was 30 degree. So out of EOB, I know this angle 30 degree. COD is also 30 degree. So I am left only with DOE out of EOB. So I can write EOB as angle DOE plus angle COD plus angle COB. So this gives me angle DOE plus 30 plus 30, and EOB I know from previous, EOB is given to me as 90 degree. So angle DOE will become 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree. So this is how you have to find angles from multiple figures. Now the figures may be easier, or it can be this much tough to recognize the angles. So by practicing different question you can do it. Okay, now second part is name all the right angles. All the right angles. So obviously the one which is given to you are right angle. So let's see, my right angles are EOB, FOC, and what are other right angles that you can get? So this is like COB is 30 degree, COD is also 30 degree, DOA is also 30 degree, and AOB is also 30 degree, and FOE was, I think it was also 30 degree. So these many angles are 30 degree. Now you would obviously try to, now these angles are 30 degree, so they will make the pair with 90 degree with 30 into 3. So I can start with BO. So first is BOD. Wait a minute. AOD is 90 degree. 30, 30, 30. AOD is 90 degree. So one of the 90 degree angle is AOD. You can see here AOD, and there are two rays in between. So AOD, and each angle is 30, 30, 30. So AOD is 90. Then starting with BO as the ray, if I start with BO, AO I have done, now the BO ray, so BOE is 90 degree, this we have already done. Then COF is 90 degree, this also we have already done. So I think we are through with the 90 degree angle. So EOB, FOC and AOD, these are 90 degree angles. Then we have name 3 pairs of adjacent complementary angles. Adjacent complementary angles. Adjacent complementary angles means again the sum of two angles must be 90 degree. So that means a pair of angle, what are complementary angles? A pair with some pair of angles which are 90 degree. So which are 90 degrees. So I will start with the figure. You have to write now pair. In the previous question it was like combination of 3 angles was giving 90 degree, but here you have to write combination of 2 angles which would give you 90 degree. So each of these angles is 30 degree. So I will take one angle, it will be angle AOB, and the second angle I will take as 60 degree, not the 30 degree angle, BOD. So my figure is like this, AOB and BOD. Because the in between ray which is C, I won't take this into consideration. I will directly jump to AOB plus BOD because these two combined giving me angle of 60 degree and one of the angle is 30 degree. So AOB plus angle BOD is equal to 90 degree. This is my adjacent complementary angle. Adjacent means they should be consecutive, one after other. They should have a common arm, they should have a common vertex, and other rays should be lying on the either side of the common ray. So this is one of the adjacent angles. Then I move to second pair. It will be BOC. I can draw the figure here. It will be, let's say, starting with BOC. I have left this ray. BOC is 30 degree and my next would be EOC, because EOC is again giving me 60 degree angle. So this would be my, this would be my EOC. So this is 60 degree. 60 plus 30 would give you 90. So my next adjacent angle, complementary angle is EOC plus angle COB. That is giving me 90 degree. What is the next complementary angle? I will move to ray CO. CO is 30 degree and FOD is 60 degree. So next complementary angle is FOD plus angle COD, that gives me 90 degree. So these are the adjacent complementary angles. So 3 pairs of adjacent complementary angles we get. Then we have next is adjacent supplementary angle. Name 3 pairs of adjacent supplementary angle. So again the word adjacent, supplementary and 3 pair. Again pair means there should be 2 angles whose sum is 180 degree. Supplementary means 180 degree. अब आपको 2 पेयर ऐसे बताने हैं, 2 एंगल्स जिनका सम 180 होगा. तो 180 कब बनेगा? जब 150 प्लस रेस्ट ऑफ देम इज, हाउ कैन यू गेट 2 पेयर्स, 2 angles with sum 180, like 150 plus 30. So now I have 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, all angles are 30. So I have to name 3 pairs which are 180 degree. So let's start with first angle AOB. So I have AOB which is 30 degree. So what will be my rest of the angle? It will be GOB, because the whole angle is straight angle. GOA is a line and this line is forming a straight angle. So AOB 30 degree plus angle GOB is equal to 180 degree. So this is my first adjacent supplementary angle. Other angle that you can get, this is my one pair. Then we have to look for the other supplementary, adjacent supplementary angles. So how will we get? I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this angle is also 30 degree. GOF is also 30. So my second pair would be GOF plus angle AOF, which gives me 180 degree. So this is also supplementary angle. So I think there would be 2 pair of supplementary angle here, because you can have 30 plus 150, only 2 adjacent pairs would be there. Then we have next is 3 pairs of adjacent angles. So now, because you know that adjacent angles are the angles with common arm and common vertex, so you can name any 3 adjacent pairs here. Let us say angle GOF and angle FOE. This is adjacent angle pair. Then you have angle EOF and angle EOD. From the figure, see here EOF and EOD. So these are also adjacent angles. And then I can take this one AOB and angle BOC is adjacent. One more pair of adjacent supplementary angle here was, I got 30, 30, 30. This is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. So third adjacent supplementary angle would be GOD plus angle DOA, which gives me 180 degree. See from here, this is like this GOA and this D, because DOG is 30 plus 30 plus 30, which is 90, and here also DOA is 30 plus 30 plus 30, which is 90. So one more pair of this adjacent supplementary angle is GOD plus DOA, that is 180 degree. So I think with this question you would be able to understand how we use angles, name of the angles, adjacent complementary angles, adjacent supplementary angles, adjacent angles, right angles, and different angles, how to calculate different angles. Thank you.